How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Pretty loud?
Yeah.
I'm gonna open up your hip a little bit and your ankle. Okay, very good. We're gonna check your toes, okay?
Okay.
Check your shoulders. Now let's check your elbows. Wrists.